Rheinmetall has introduced the SSW40, a groundbreaking 40mm grenade launcher that redefines infantry firepower in the modern battlefield. Unlike traditional grenade systems, the SSW40 combines precision, extended range, and unmatched versatility in a compact, rifle-style platform. It can engage targets from 100 to 900 meters with sniper-level accuracy thanks to an advanced electronic fire control system and the ability to connect external ballistic computers. This allows it to neutralize not only infantry and light armored vehicles but also aerial threats like drones. The SSW40 is designed to fire both standard magazine-fed grenades and heavier, manually loaded rounds that deliver greater explosive power and improved ballistic performance. Its compatibility with programmable ammunition makes it highly effective in complex environments, enabling operators to set exact detonation points mid-flight, ideal for targeting UAVs or enemies behind cover. This feature, combined with a wide range of lethal and non-lethal ammunition types, positions the SSW40 as a truly multi-role weapon system. Unlike traditional single-shot launchers, the SSW40 features a detachable magazine for 3 to 5 rounds, dramatically increasing its rate of fire while still supporting manual reloading for specialized munitions. It supports various optical and electronic sights via a standard Picatinny rail and can integrate with digital targeting systems, including laser rangefinders and ballistic computers. With its modularity, high precision, and combat versatility, the Rheinmetall SSW40 is a next-generation solution for infantry, special operations forces, reconnaissance units, and mobile support teams. It replaces multiple support weapons in one unified system, answering the growing demand for compact, powerful, and adaptive battlefield tools.